Today I'm taking a look at the Synthizer speaker stands. Neato. Okay. So we got 8 rubber pads for each speaker stand. You can see they are fairly thick. So that's nice. And then we got 2 thumb screws and 2 acorn nuts. Okay. Wow. That, geez Louise. This is a surprisingly thick piece of metal right here. So we got a handful of spots that we can actually adjust this thing to, so that's very nice. But yeah, that is just a super thick piece of metal. So we got 2 of those. And then we got 2 of the top. Yeah, that slides in very nicely. So with these, we got that distinct design in there, and we can actually use that if we want to thread our speaker in from the bottom. But we also got this little support on the back, so we can just lay the speaker on and let it rest on the back. And then on the rear side, we have that threaded hole. Now, because that's threaded, we don't even really have to use the acorn nut. That's just extra security to make sure this thing isn't going to fall off. But we can just find the height that we like, and then thread our bolt in. There we go. So if anything, I think the acorn nut might just be to make this thing look a little bit more pleasant. Is this required? Definitely not. But it's nice that they threw that on there. Now, what I like about that adjustability is if we put these things on like 2 different platforms, so if like this is on a shelf and this is on our desk, we can still adjust that to get the exact height that we need. So we could have 2 different heights. It's up to you and your scenario. You can make this exactly how you like it. These are very sturdy. Those aren't going anywhere. So then it's just a matter of putting these on. And because we have 8, we could put 4 on the bottom, and if we want to, we could just put 4 on the top. That'll give us a little bit more security, a little bit more cushion for our speakers, and also just to ensure that we're not going to have any vibration. That's not really that steep of an angle. Yeah, that's actually really nice. I like that quite a bit. Yeah, that's great. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to save these just in case I need them for something else, but I'm real happy with the way this is just like that. So overall, these are some great little speaker stands.